welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nzinga, and if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell. If it's not your first time here and you've been rocking with me, thank you for rocking with me. Okay, so as you guys can see from the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys what I have on my iPhone. I'm going to be showing you what I have on my 11 Pro. Is that what it's called? 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max? I don't know, but this is the bigger version of the 11, okay? And then the one I'm using to record, that's the 10s Max. Now the reason why I have two iPhones is because this is 64 gig. I bought the 10s Max with my money all at once, and I wanted to sell it, but it's still 64 gig. This is 64. I regret getting this phone in 64 gig. I should have went up, but you live and you learn. So now I'm stuck with the 10s Max because I have to use it to do all my recording, to save all my pictures, to do all my stuff, because it's 256. This is 64. It's been full like almost like a month and some changing. This one's been full. It was too late to take it back to the store, so I'm stuck with two phones. So I'm gonna like show you guys what's on my screen, my lock screen. I couldn't screen record this. It's just cutting off. I don't know why, but the screen record wasn't working, so just showing you guys. It's just a picture of me, and I have my business logo on the picture. That's it. Now I'm gonna turn my screen record on. So first I'm gonna start with my widget, and the first widget that I have is this reminder widget. I think that's what this is. I have my facial appointment coming up. I have the self-lender payment coming up. Self-lender is I don't know what to say it is, but I have this app. You guys are gonna see the app, but I use it to build my credit. You can Google it and it will explain to you. Then I have my weather app, my Siri suggestion apps. I think these are the apps that I recently used. I usually have my Shopify widget, but I don't have it here. I just removed it because I don't want you guys to see the money that I be making on my website. Okay. So yeah, I took that off, and then my battery widget to tell me the percentage. Okay. Then now if you see like, what is this called? Folder. If you see a folder, the folders are from the phone that I'm using to record. I had the same. Damn, I gotta talk. I had the same iCloud, but then I removed it because my iCloud was getting full and all that, so I created a new iCloud as well for this phone, just to give me some space. And I was really trying so hard with this phone, but no, I give up on it. Anyways, so the first folder that I have is productivity. I have calendar, notes, reminder, clock. No, I love the notes app. It's underrated. As the notes app is underrated. I love this app. No, I can't open it. It's too much personal things in there, but I really like it. Besides FaceTime, notes app is probably my favorite. Then we have the weather, clock, news, books, app store, podcast, TV, Apple TV, health, home, wallet, settings. Basically the apps that I don't really use. I use settings, but the others I don't really use them. I really don't use Apple TV. I don't know why they give me a year subscription fee, but I don't use it. And I have my files, find my iPhone, shortcuts, iTunes. Now from my find my iPhone, I have both my phone connected, my laptop, and my AirPods. Yeah, then you have tips, contacts. I don't know what tips is. I think it gives you like some tips about the iPhone, but I don't really use it. Then in this folder, it's called utilities. I have voice memo that I don't use, compass, measurement that I don't use. Then I have the My Verizon. The My Verizon app is for my phone. This one is Verizon. And then my Files app that is for my internet at home. And then my calculator. I really use my calculator too. I use my calculator often. Then I have Apple Watch. I had an Apple Watch. I don't have it anymore. I didn't see like the need for it anymore. Maybe I get another one, but yeah, I don't use that again right now. I don't use that. Then I have just a folder that I'll be opening every minute. So I have Snapchat and I streak. Yes, I have my streak. My oldest streak is the 1,037 days. I don't know. You give me some type of, I love it. You know, it makes me feel like I've been consistent. Even though I'm not getting nothing, it's fun for me. And the people that I have on my streak are no strangers. They are people that I want to talk to. So that is that. Then I have Twitter. Love Twitter. Like, I love Twitter. Go and follow me at Zinga XRN. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Then I have my Instagram that you should also follow me on. Instagram opening my messages. But anyways, you should follow me. Zinga.Saren. Then I have WhatsApp. Damn, I can't open WhatsApp. Like, that's a lot of chat. I use this to talk to my vendors for my business, as well as my family in Jamaica. Then I have FaceTime. Love FaceTime. Like, I don't know how people don't like FaceTime. Like, I'm not gonna sit down and text you. If you need me, FaceTime me. Honestly, if you need me, FaceTime me. Don't text me. Me quick up answer on FaceTime than replying to a text message. It's just me. I love FaceTime. I don't have time to be texting. Then I have Facebook and YouTube. I love YouTube as well. I watch YouTube all day, every day. Once I'm at work, I'm watching YouTube. Okay. Then I have Pinterest that I use to save like a lot of stuff that I really like hair. I think I have mostly hair and food ideas, healthy food ideas. Then I have finance. In here I have virtual wallet for PNC Bank because I have a PNC account. I have a Bank of America account, my Cash App, Capital One for my credit card, CreditWise, go to Capital One, tell me my credit score. I have Credit Karma, I have Venmo, and then I have Self. Self is the app that I use to build my credit. Okay. Then I have photography. In here I have my photos, Google Photos. Now, let me share a little secret with you. If you have like a lot of photos and videos on your phone that is taking up your space, download Google Photos. Download Google Photos, back up your videos and your pictures to Google Photos. It's cloud, it's not going anywhere. Okay, it's in the cloud, it's not going anywhere. And delete them, delete the pictures and the videos off your phone once you back them up. Okay, and then you have access to this cloud forever. It's cloud, darling. It ain't going anywhere. It's like your email. It's Google. It ain't going nowhere. So you have an app for it. If you need a picture from it, you go in there, you download it. Then you don't have to be storing all these photos and videos on your phone, taking up your space. Then I have my camera app. Then I have business. In business, I have Shopify Ping. This is an app on my Shopify website. I have Shopify. I have an order that I need to fulfill. After this video, I'm gonna fulfill the order. I got an order today. This morning it's then I have travel with Lyft and Uber. I use Lyft and Uber a lot. Then I have shopping. I use Amazon a lot. From this I have Target, ChickfilA, Fashion Nova, Shein. No, I don't have a car, so my friends usually like drop me off if they have the time, pick me up, you know, stuff like that. And I will take the Lyft or the Uber. But I manifested a car, baby girl. I manifested a car, so I got a car wash app on my phone. It's like a minute away from where I live, so I don't have the app because they have an app, okay? You know, when you're trying to manifest things, you gotta put things into alignment, okay? I don't like ChickfilA. ChickfilA is overrated. I don't like ChickfilA. I had the app because the only thing I like at ChickfilA is the soup. Call me weirdo, but the only thing I like from ChickfilA is their soup. I used to like the nuggets and the French fries, but I have to have my nuggets and my French fries well done. ChickfilA do not do well done anymore, so no ChickfilA for me, okay? I can honestly delete that. Then I have navigation, I have maps, Google Maps and Waze. Now, if you drive, you need Waze, because I'm telling you, like, this thing tell you if there are cops on the road. It tells you if there's like a car broken down on the side of the road. It tells you everything, like any obstruction, traffic, anything, it tells you. So get Waze, you need it. Thank me later, okay? Then I have a search engine. Then I have Safari and Google. I use Google a lot. I use Google more than how I use Safari. Then I have Apple support that I don't really use. I have Boomer's app that I use to clock in and out at work. That's what I use. That's what my workplace uses. Then I have the period calendar that I use to track my monthly cycle, obviously. And I have Hootsuite. I use Hootsuite to schedule my post on my business page. If I don't have the time to post, I use Hootsuite to schedule on my business Instagram. Then I have Zoom. I use Zoom for a business call, coaching meetings and stuff like that. Then I have Hilo. This is the app that tells me, like, I went to this clinic. I had to do set an appointment, a dental appointment. So it tells me, like, if the doctor, it was during the corona time, so I had to do virtual. I had to talk to the doctor like virtually. So this app tells me, like, if the doctor replies and stuff like that. Then I have the Bible. Then I have Telegram. I only have Telegram because I want to do Forex. So I tried it once. It didn't work out because at the time I wasn't there for it. So that's why I have Telegram. And on the next slide, I have Robinhood and I have Acorns. I use Robinhood and Acorns to trade stocks. Investment, that's what I use Robinhood and Acorns for. Then I have funds. I don't know why I have it. Never used it. I probably just watch a video and saw somebody use it or something. I don't know, but I have it. Then I have Ludo. This is a app that my friend sent to me that I should don't know. Sushan sent it to me. Then I have Fetch Rewards. I scan all my receipts after I purchase so I can get points back, and so the points can give me money. You know, it's free, why not do it? So I have Fetch Rewards. You can scan that. So scan your receipts, you get points, and the points will help you to get money, and then you can use your money to do whatever. Then I have my Gmail. I use this a lot as well. Then I have editors. In this folder is basically what I use to make. I use the watermark and video mark. No, I use the watermark video and watermark picture to put my business logo on my pictures that I post on my business page. You can use Eraser app to make pictures like PNG. Fonto is the app that I use to create my, what is it called? To create my thumbnails. I use Fonto to create my thumbnail. Yep, that's what I use Fonto to do. Then I have VLLO. I don't know how how to pronounce it, but it's an app. I was watching this video and oops, I can show you guys that. It's like a editing app. It's like iMovie, and then I have YouTube Studio. They give me my analytics and stuff like that, and then I have YouTube Tracker. Also help me to track like my monetization journey. It showed me like the percentage that I'm at with my watch hours. It tells me the amount of subscribers that I have and all that. And anything that you don't see on here, I have it on my, in regards to YouTube, I have it on my the phone that I'm using to record, like my iMovie. I use iMovie on my phone to record, and that is on my iPhone 10 S Max that I'm using to record. So, oh, I forget this app. Down here I have my call. Is that what you call it? My caller thing app. I don't know, but yeah. And then my messaging and my Apple Music. I use Apple Music. Let me see what my name is. I think my name is Nzinga Saran. Yes, so my name is Nzinga Saran, just like my YouTube. So you can go and follow me if you want to hear the music that I listen to. And yep. And then I have my email app. I use this a lot as well. I have like all my emails like connected to it. My business email, my personal email, all of that is connected to this. I have like 4 different emails in it. And yep, guys, that's it. That's all that I have on this phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what other videos you would like to see me guys do. No, I really need your help for real, because I've been running out. I'm not really running out of what I am. I'm running out of like ideas, because I don't know what you guys want to see, because you guys don't tell me what you want to see. So if you're watching this, you like this video, comment down below and let me know what video you would like to see me do next. Any video ideas, leave it down below. And then we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, later.